Hey everyone! Tired of your AI video characters changing looks from scene to scene? Here's how to keep them consistent. Let's jump in. Log in to your Kling AI dashboard using Gmail account. Once you're in, click on Video Generation, Elements. For first video, we have 3 different images. The background, which is the workshop. The main character, which is the old clockmaker. The prop, which is the pocket watch. Click on Hint. This shows how we need to upload in this order: character, prop, and background. Click on Upload Image to upload the 3 images. Select Standard and Aspect 16:9. Now it's time to bring your scene to life using the prompt field. Here's the prompt we are using for this example. Feel free to follow along or tweak it to your story. An elderly bearded clockmaker is sitting in a dimly lit clockmaker's workshop. He is reaching towards a pocket watch which is resting on a wooden workbench. Keep your description detailed and grounded. This helps the AI generate a more accurate scene. Lastly, click on Generate. Let's look at the result. Kling have merges 3 images into one seamless animated video. This is perfect for building consistent, controllable scenes while still having creative flexibility with different components. For the second video, we wanted to introduce a new character, the clockmaker's loyal dog. But here's the key. We kept the old man and the original background exactly the same by reusing the same elements from the first video. We updated the prompt to include this emotional moment. In a dimly lit clockmaker's workshop, an elderly bearded clockmaker faces the camera, holding a pocket watch delicately in his hands. Beside him, his loyal dog faces camera, gazing with gentle, attentive eyes. Tip: add emotional and directional cues like faces camera and gazes with gentle eyes for more intentional results. And here's how it turned out. Pretty cool, right? Kling recognized and maintained the look of the old man. His face, outfit, and even the way he interacted with the scene. For the final video, we kept both the old man and the dog the same to maintain consistency. But this time, we changed the background to a garden bench and changed the old man's shirt. Same characters, new environment. Tip: you can change outfits and backgrounds while keeping the core identity. Here's the new prompt. An elderly man wearing a blue shirt sits on a wooden bench in a peaceful garden, gently stroking his loyal dog who stands beside him. This shows how you can build a consistent character arc across multiple scenes, just like telling a visual story, one moment at a time. Click on Generate. Now watch closely. Although the background and the shirt color have changed, the elderly man and the dog remain visually consistent. It feels as if they naturally moved from one place to another, maintaining their identity across scenes. So across all 3 scenes, by carefully adjusting the right elements, like the old man and dog, we ensured they stayed consistent in appearance and behavior. This is the power of Kling's Elements tool. It lets you build stories with characters that your viewers can recognize from scene to scene. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI video tips and creative tutorials. See you in the next one, and keep creating.